I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these travel bags. That you get 15 of them. They do come in all different sizes, packages. So if you like what you see here, you can get whatever combo that you want. I have everything set up here. These are good for blankets. They're good for pillows. They're good for packing. I'm going to show you how we're going to turn this suitcase into about half or even more than that. When we compress it, I'm going to go over everything you get. So right off the bat, you're going to get a small, a medium, and a large. This is the travel set right over here. All right. So you, like I said, you can get different ones as well. So this small one right over here, it gives you the dimensions 15.7 by 19. This is going to be our large 19.7 by 23. And then our medium right over here is going to come in at 15.7 by 23.6. Really nice material on these bags. So how these bags work right over here, you open these up, you got a double seal right over here. We're going to take this off and then we're going to use this pump. This pump comes in a very nice bag right over here. You also get a charger with this. We have so many of these. We never use this one, but we keep it in the box. And we're going to get these clips right over here. That's going to help us seal the bag. So this is the large one. We're going to do some blankets, and then we're going to do this first, and then we're going to do some blankets. So I'm going to take the medium size bag right over here. In this suitcase right over here, there is 3 shirts. There is a pair of jeans and 4 pairs of shorts. So a good bit of stuff in here. What you're going to do is you're going to want to open this nice up just like that. I find that the easiest way to do it. So you got a lot of nice space in there. Then we're just going to take this out. You are going to kind of want to fold the clothes. This way it's just easier to get in here. If you just put them in a big jumbled mess, not the best idea. And you're just going to kind of flatten this out right over here. We're going to grab these. And then we're also going to grab the shirts. So we got, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put this all in here. Now, this is pretty tight right over here. I would say might be a little over stuff, but we'll get it done. So what we're going to do here and now, we're just going to kind of hold that like that. Get some of that air out of here. And then we're just going to start. I like to start it by going like this. So we could just get it started ourselves. And then we're just going to keep going down the line right over here. You'll hear it snapping, and you'll see right over here, there is a line that says stop right over here. You can see that right over here. So you don't want to go past that line. So what we're going to do now it's almost all done right over here. What you're going to do is you're going to take this handy little clip right over here. We're literally just going to put it on here. So you just want to line it up just like that. It is a little tight, so you want to get it on right over there. And then you're just going to go down. You want to make sure you're all the way down. You'll hear it clip just like that and click. We're good to go. Now, we're going to take this right over here. Literally find the side right over here. I like the fact that it's clear so you can see exactly what is in your bag. And you also can never do this wrong because the instructions are right on the bag as well. So what you're going to do here, we're just going to put this on right over here. Screw it on. Once we have that on, it's on the top. And we're just going to compress down. You can see up here too, it shows you exactly how much battery you have left. You could get about 100 compresses out of this in one battery life right over here. So we're compressing pretty good here. And if you take this off for whatever reason, it's no big deal. It's easier if you do it on a table for sure. You can kind of press down and make it go a little faster if you wanted to do that. You can see it's compressing down even more when you push. So that's just if you wanted to go quicker. All right, so we'll see what we got here. And now that's what it looks like inside the suitcase. So it really compresses. I could probably even put this. Yeah, if I wanted to put that like that, I could probably get another 3 of these in here, which is pretty crazy. Let's go to blankets next. I got 2 blankets right over here, and then I'll give you a wrap up. But I just really like these. You're gonna get 15 of these. Again, if you don't, you should put your cap on. All right, so we're just gonna put these blankets in. We got 2 blankets here. We have a ton of blankets at our house, so we always always use these. We have blankets for dogs and everything. And these are just a game changer. We have seasonal blankets. It just makes it so much easier to store all these things. So we're just going to kind of go over here, get a little closer for you here. For this one, I'm going to kind of just try to jump right into this. I actually never really tried to do this just right off the bat. You could do it. Yeah, that worked pretty good. All right, and now we're going to put this down right over here. We're going to just remove this, just like that. Put this on top. And we're just going to, if you want to go quicker, like I said, just push down. And it works pretty quickly, like within, I don't know, call it 15, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You'll have the whole thing compressed down how you want it. This one, oops. This one just open. So I didn't seal this one all the way. All right, now we go. That's why it's important to seal it. I actually did hear it. So here we go. We'll just go like that. All right, there we go. So now it's really compressing. I was wondering why it was taking so long. You can see it's really shrinking it right now. And it really works much quicker when you press down like this. And we're kind of have a nice little compressed ball right over here. And then when you want to open this, you could literally just open it. This will protect against moisture, dust, and all that stuff. If you are looking for some great storage bags that will help travel, get a lot more stuff in your suitcase. If you like to pack a ton of stuff like I do, or get blankets and pillows and stuff like that, shrink that down, get them stored better. Definitely check these out. They work absolutely awesome and we love them. I hope you found this video review helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope you find the right storage bag for you.